guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the intro, as well as, the title, whenever you clicked on this video, I'm going to be reviewing this new Ariana Grande perfume. The name of the perfume is R.E.M, which is my favorite song from her album Sweetener. And obviously the packaging is inspired by Break Free. I still think that's really cool that she, mashed the concepts together. But yeah, anyways, so I'm going to remove this plastic thingy-majiggy and we can get started with the review. As you can see here, I am just unboxing it. I'm about to take the perfume out and I'm really excited. I mean, I can already tell that this perfume's going to smell good, just like the other 7 that Ariana released. Okay, so being completely honest, this has to be my favorite perfume bottle ever. I mean, look at the crystals. Ugh, it satisfies my Wiccan heart. But what I'm going to do here is I am just going to turn the bottle, give it kind of a 360 so you can see what it looks like in the front and the back. As you can see, it has a unique bottle shape, just kind of how like Cloud and Thank You Next had their own style. For those of you who own R.E., Sweet Like Candy, Moonlight, and Frankie, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I did notice, at least with my bottle, when I tried to take it out, it was a little bit snug, so I had to kind of wiggle it back and forth just to get the actual perfume out of the crystal. I'm not sure if you can really tell on camera, but the bottle, that has the actual perfume inside of it, has a little bit of a lavender tint. So I went ahead and removed the little top of the bottle because I was about to spray it on my arm. I did notice with my first 3 tries that the perfume wouldn't come out, but after the 3rd try it began to spritz and I just got it right there on my wrist and my arm. I waited about a minute to let the perfume set before I inhaled the aroma. If you want to know all the little details in the scent, you can pause right here to read. But me personally, I'm going to say what I smell most is like marshmallows and lavender. Literally, all of Ariana's perfumes smells really good, so I'm not that surprised that R.E.M, I really like the scent. This perfume does smell really nice. I don't see myself wearing it every single day, like to work or anything like that. And of course, we are in the middle of a pandemic, so I don't really go out as much, but let's say we weren't and I was to go on a date, I would totally wear this because it does smell really nice. I will also say that, this whole thing is 10 out of 10, not just the perfume scent and the bottle, but as well as the packaging. And of course, if you guys want to know where you can purchase this, I got mine off Ulta. There is going to be a link in my description if you're interested in checking that out. I am super excited though because R.E.M can now go in with the rest of my R.E perfumes. All of the Ariana perfumes I own is of course R.E, Sweet Like Candy, Cloud, and Thank You Next. I don't have a box for this, but I also own Moonlight. The only perfumes I do not own is Frankie. I mean, I did buy it, but I gave it to my cousin, and the limited edition red Sweet Like Candy. Nonetheless, every single one of her perfumes that I've ever smelled smells absolutely amazing. And of course, what I wear every single day, rather to work and or just around the house, is Sweet Like Candy and R.E. I also occasionally wear Cloud as well as Thank You Next, and R.E.M kind of reminds me of a combination of both these perfumes. And finally, we have Moonlight. Now, don't get me wrong, Moonlight does smell good. It's just a little too strong to be wearing it every single day in my opinion. But that pretty much concludes it for today's video. R.E.M smells really good. It smells like a little bit of a fancier version of Cloud. I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching.